ladies and gentlemen, we are officially down to the day 30 of becoming a profitable trader. Today's the last day, guys, and we officially end phase one. Congratulations. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy for myself that I've gone through this journey, and I want to thank God for this journey as well. So, let's dive in. Today is March 17, 2026, Tuesday. As you guys can see, I actually took a trade on NASDAQ. Beautiful trade have been executed on our prop firm account, which we have made a couple money. So first of all, let me introduce you to my prop firm account, guys. Next level funded. This is not a promotion. It is none of that. As you guys can see, dear Julian Martin, we are pleased to provide you with our live account, blah, blah, blah. Remember to keep your risk management as your top priority, which it is, guys. I'm trying my best to keep this account for the long as I can, and hopefully we'll try to get a payout from this account. That's why officially we started phase two in this bitch. So guys, hopefully I just need to be profitable for the next 5 days. So guys, all you need is discipline. So let me show you the rules for this trade. Daily drawdown 300. I cannot lose more than $300 in a day. The maximum drawdown or overall drawdown is around $500. I think this is a trading drawdown, which every time I make profit, that shit will keep going up. And the main and only consistency rule. So I need to stay consistent, which means I need to make the same amount of dollars every day or for the next 5 days. As you guys can see, today I made $51. So for the next 5 days, I need to make $50 each. Okay, so I think this is my priority for the next coming days for phase two of becoming a profitable trader, or I can say phase two of getting a payout from a prop firm. So guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also I'll give you the trade recap on the reason why I took this trade on NASDAQ today. And I'll see you guys on phase two. Peace out.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's dive in on a trade recap on the trade that we took on the day finale or day 30. So this was actually an easy trade. So first of all, my bias was bullish, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Not just that, I just used 3 confluence to be specific. One is a fair value gap tap in, breakout structure to the upside. So before that, look at this, guys. We had a beautiful fair value gap presented right here before. I think it was presented yesterday, yes. So price action opened, market opens. Price was actually manipulating. As you guys can see, a lot of people were actually probably entering sell right here because we saw significant displacement to the downside. So people would think, oh, we're going to the downside, maybe to cut this down 1, 2, 3 draws on liquidity, but we didn't, guys. This area was a significant reaction area, which price actually tapped into the fair value gap and showed a beautiful displacement to the upside. You can see this on the 5 minute, how we actually reacted to it. You see, guys, bang. People actually think this was an inversion because we actually had a candle closure below this, but once it comes to the upside, retest that area, then bang, we exploded to the upside. Still though, before London session show us some delivery, price was consolidating. But on the higher time frame, guys, when you go to the higher time frame, it wasn't just a retracement. It was not consolidation. It was just when you go lower and lower to the down to the time frame, it looks like consolidation. It looks like a manipulation, but on the 1 hour and 4 hour is actually a retracement, price actually tapping in, and boom, shows this immersive explosion to the upside. And I knew this was coming, because once we show reaction to the fair value gap, and guess what, guys, we actually change a market structure right here. Once I saw this market closure above this, I was like, okay, yeah, we had a beautiful market structure shift. And let's go to the left side. Ooh la la, what do we have here, guys? 1, 2, 3, and I think we have more. Another one, 4 draws on liquidity, which we absolutely take out every one of them. We take out every one of these draws on liquidity. So it was so easy trade, guys. My confluence have presented themselves, which aligns with my strategy, which gave me opportunity to take this trade. So the confluence that I use is fair value gap tap in, market structure change, and my daily bias. And also another confluence was a high relative draws of liquidity to the upside. So easy, so easy, so easy, guys. So I think market is actually recovering. Today we actually have a lot of point gain, around 1%. That's a lot of gain. That's a lot of money added to the stock market. So we're gonna see how that turn out. So guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and if you want me to teach you my strategy for free, make sure you email me on my business email down in the description. Thank you for your time, guys. This is all about consistency and discipline, and hopefully we'll get our payout. Day 13, it's all over. Phase 2 about to start, and hopefully we'll get this motherfucking payout. So stick to the journey. Peace out.